This is ShadowQuant, Market Brief, brought to you by AriesLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Thursday, June 4, 2026, and this is the New York pre-market. Now, let's get into it. The S&P 500 is down 0.7% pre-market, with tech and energy sectors under pressure. The ECB rate decision looms as a key catalyst for volatility today.
The S&P 500 is at 754.24, down 0.7%. The Nasdaq 100 is at 744.21, off 0.26%. The Dow Jones is at 508.26, down 1.13%. Among the top gainers, Bain surged 99.900%, while EUR jumped 643.19%. On the downside, F5WS dropped 99.8%, IPOFWS fell 99.77%, and SBTKW slid 99.6%. The energy sector led the gainers at plus 1.29%, while the technology sector fell 1%. The utilities sector is down 0.43% as investors rotate towards safer assets.
Cipher, any earnings or filings to note?
Core Scientific reported disappointing Q4 results, sending shares lower. Binance disclosed a revenue-sharing deal with Alpaca, which could impact its market positioning. SEC filings today include 8Ks from Atcore, Angel Studios, Cushman & Wakefield, QXO, and Tetra. Dividends are set for NPO, AVI, FIVE, XQQI, and RCL, with ex-dates on June 3.
Pulse, what's the macro story today?
The Fed funds rate stands at 3.62%, with the 2-year Treasury at 4.5% and the 10-year at 4.46%. The yield curve remains flat at plus 0.41 percentage points. Inflation remains above the Fed's 2% target, with CPI at 3.78% year-over-year and core PCE at 3.29%. Non-farm payrolls added 736K in April, with the unemployment rate at 4.3%. The ECB rate decision is due at 13:15 UTC, a key event to watch.
Spectre, anything on the risk radar?
Risk desk is quiet today. No elevated signals.
Apex, what's the look ahead?
Watch the ECB rate decision for signals on future rate path. Monitor the S&P 500 for key support at 753.57. Keep an eye on dollar-yen as the Bank of Japan remains hawkish. The Fed's non-farm payrolls on Friday will be critical for market positioning.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at patreon.com/ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. This is an AI-generated market briefing by ShadowQuant. All information is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the New York session, where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.